From practical to beautiful, these are the genius Dollar Tree hacks for 2025, and I promise none of them are tacky. All of the summer items are out, and you've got to know where to look because a lot of items are hidden. The first thing I want to show you are these solar crackled glass globes. These are absolutely stunning, and they are made of glass. I'll show you what they look like at night. I love these. Where would you put them? And at the front of my store, there's 2 items to keep your eyes peeled for. This is trending. It's in all of the boutique stores right now, and that is pressed flowers. It's literally everywhere. And this is one of my favorite tricks. You can put some pressed flowers inside, maybe on one of your vacations. This makes a great gift idea too. That's so cool. I'm keeping this video classy and practical. I've gotten so many compliments on this in my home. Like literally, I want every hack in this video for you to be like, oh my gosh, I have to do that. I love the lemon plates. I really want to focus on lots of things that are not plastic. This is beautiful. And let me share with you this beautiful, easy 3-ingredient recipe. I adore these Monique L'Huillier plates. They are stunners, and the Dollar Tree pattern is so similar. Pottery Barn also has a similar pattern, and this recipe is heavy cream, lemon juice, and sugar. That is it. I'll be sure to link it down below. I saw this go viral on Instagram and TikTok, and I kept seeing it going, I have to make this. And I wanted to share it too because it's the perfect addition to a summer party. You want to save your lemons and cut them in half because you can pour this into the well, let it set in the fridge. You can also put this in Dollar Tree ramekins. You get 4 for $1.25. I love this so much. My kids love it too. Basically anything lemon pattern, Dollar Tree keeps bringing this back over the years. I love their towels, their mugs, pretty much everything. Can we also talk about how hard it is to say L'Huillier? Anyway, this picture was from their website. I'm over here like stunning, and those hanging lanterns, yep, you can get that look for $1.25. Look at how similar these are. Not only could you hang them, you can also display them in your home. It's perfect for summer. And if you want to save $100 immediately, I'm not kidding, no lie, no exaggeration, go to the book section. The summer book selection is incredible. They have this beautiful Instant Pot book. They also have these stunning cookbooks. I also think these would make great hostess gifts, coffee table books. Love it. Estimated retail on the back of each of these is $29.99. Dollar Tree tends to get overstock of really quality books, and summer, I have found, is the best time to find the good ones. Again, great gift ideas. I was shocked they had these. A fairy door. This is so cute. This is adorable. I told you, I wanted to show you the classy stuff you may have not thought of before. I thrifted this vintage Victorian style urn. I am obsessed. I obviously love the French theme. I've got some more French items coming soon, but take Dollar Tree bags, Dollar Tree paper. I just stuck this in the bottom to fill it out, and then I added the moss on top. It looks super luxury on a budget. I also want to share with you some elegant Americana. Like these items that look really simple just in store, we're going to make them look so high-end. This is perfect for 4th of July, and have I got a hack for you? I'm going to grab some of these mini flags, and I'm going to show you a super sweet treat. Instead of getting the Dollar Tree brand graham crackers, I'm going to get the name brand Maria biscuits. Many moons ago when I lived in Spain, I ate these all the time. This is the Guyon brand. It's awesome to make a s'more that feels a little elevated. Hostess gifts, summer parties. You can grab Dollar Tree glass jars, or if you just don't want them to break, you can grab the plastic ones too. Not breakable. Don't forget the skewers. Dollar Tree brought these back, and they are excellent, and you definitely save big. All of these products are name brand, from Hershey's to Jet Puffs to these wonderful biscuits. I thrifted this beautiful basket and added some of the quintessential vintage Americana decor. And then I'm gonna make a DIY s'more basket. My kids adore this. You could take this to a party, take it outside. It just feels so luxury on a budget. All this party stuff is so good. They even have quick flames. In addition to the moss, be sure to get Dollar Tree rocks as well as a pie pan. Again, this is 100% Dollar Tree. I got 3 of the quick flames, added the rocks around it. We bring this back every single year. Whether you're doing this over a campfire or on your front porch, this is such a sweet treat. And y'all, this Maria cookie hack, I think it's my favorite of the video. This summer hack is awesome. Grab Dollar Tree popcorn and grab some tahine. This is one of my favorite spices. It's a name brand. Pop in your microwave or on the stovetop. Tahine and olive oil pair well together for a unique treat. And what I love about shopping Dollar Tree, especially right now, is it doesn't take a lot, like a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of know-how to elevate something so it looks so beautiful on a budget. Right now, you're also going to find lots of bags at Dollar Tree, tote bags at the front with all different designs. If you see one that you love, stick an old pillow inside, one that you're not using or haven't for a while. You could sew this, or if you're like me and you just don't feel like getting out the sewing machine, pin the top and you can add a bit of hot glue to help hold it together. And these make such elegant outdoor pillows. They're great gift ideas. This is one that I get a lot of compliments on, and it's one of my most recreated DIYs. Another brand new product. They have these containers with lids. Awesome for stackable storage. And check this out. I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm sharing it with you. They have these crates, brand new at Dollar Tree. These are made of wood, but here's the thing. They're $10. These are made in the USA, and this price is actually pretty good compared to Hobby Lobby, compared to Walmart. I've purchased them from there. What do you think? I told you I would bring back the French theme, so you can stain these after you sand them down. I stenciled on the top with one I had on hand, and I like to get flowers on Amazon. They've really stepped up their game. You can add this to a crate on your front porch. And if you're looking for something a little smaller, the mini crates that are far less than $10, they're $3 each, can be glued together to make a bloom bar. This is great for parties, baby showers, weddings. Most people don't need something plastic to take home. Take home something beautiful, and all those flowers came from Trader Joe's. You can throw a Dollar Tree painting garden party. Grab some mini canvases, grab some of the lanterns. I also love the rolls of craft paper. Put this out on your table. This is super fun to do with friends. So many of you loved this idea on Instagram. Bring friends over, paint together. This just feels so luxury on a budget. And I love being creative. Like, summer to me is the time to be creative. They sell rocks and shells, glassware and sand, like all of it. Terrariums using air plants are some of my favorites. Now I will link below the most affordable place to get a small box of air plants, but you can add this in with the sand and rocks, and all these need are a spritzing of water about every week or so. But I decided to make these look like the beach. The blue rocks from Dollar Tree are perfect. And yes, the succulent container came from Dollar Tree too. They have so many large pieces of glassware now that are $3 each, but here you can see I'm making it look like waves upon the sand and then adding air plants. And for some of the longer air plants, you can make these look like Medusas. Take a bit of fishing line to place through a shell, and then you can drape the air plant over top and hang that on a stick that you found outside. I love how this looks, and every time somebody comes over, they always compliment me on this little display. It was one of those things that was so easy to put together, and nobody would have any idea it's from Dollar Tree. I really like unique, elegant things just like this. And to water your air plants, look at these vintage inspired spritzers. These little trays are at Dollar Tree too. I just set this nearby so I could spray it with water once a week. Have you seen this at your stores? This is the best deal on tea light holders of all time. They brought this back. This was not here for a long time. These are 4 glass tea light holders. Beautiful, and all 4 are $1.25. This summer, Dollar Tree has stepped it up with elegant and super classy looking candles. And their card section, they have some vintage inspired cards. I've seen these for way more in other stores. And organizing products too. Here's a handful of them that have changed my home. These little boxes are great in an entryway. I love how beautiful and non-Dollar Tree they look. They also have over-the-door hooks, which are fantastic and go up great with command strips. And these mirrored boxes are fantastic. But there is a brand new product I bet you didn't know about. Brand new product alert. They have these spray bottle hooks. This is the first time I've ever seen Dollar Tree carry this. Really great for small spaces. You can hook your products on, or anything else. What would you use it for? I got literally the last one at my store, but I love this for storage in our small upstairs bathroom. Need an outdoor trash can for parties? Come to Dollar Tree. They have really big ones. This is great for any outdoor festival, party, whatever. These are $5, but they're big and really sturdy. Don't go anywhere. These next practical tips will save you a lot. Summer section is out in full swing. There's lots of cool stuff. Is this ice cube tray? There's a bunch of these here. You can combine this with $1.25 aloe vera. This you can freeze. It's super soothing on your skin. Or if you're into something easy, take the Dollar Tree aloe vera. Because it's in a pump bottle, stick this in your fridge. It feels awesome after a day in the sunshine. When this is chilled, it feels so good. And they have tons of ice cube trays here, and this is a brand new one, mini ice cube trays. I'm obsessed with little ice cubes. I love like pellet ice. It's my favorite. I've never tried this. This looks cool. These paper straws are really pretty. I love all of their umbrella picks. This is a great deal. If you're American, I want to know where you spend 4th of July. I love parades. The parade gear here is awesome. And it's manual. Wouldn't your kids love this? And it comes with a bubble wand. I'm sorry, but this is like peak parade gear, $1.25. If you don't like one of these, they also sell little mini fans here. New product alert. They have confetti cannons here too. Okay, that's super fun. These are $3. Does anybody use these? I would love to know. And they have sparklers too. 4th of July fun. Father's Day is around the corner and the tool bench section has really expanded from gloves to levels to screwdriver bit sets. I mean, all of this stuff is great. Most of it, $3 to $5. This is actually a really good deal too. Like padlocks, 2 for $5. Good deal. They brought back the hand sanitizer sprays. These are awesome and definitely a great deal and good dupe. This one is lemon. I'm so excited. Let me smell it. Good one. A couple items in the beauty section, especially for travel, you're not gonna wanna miss. And the first is this Assured razor. This is the Billy Razor dupe. And something you may not even think to grab but smells amazing is this Intimate Shave Cream. This smells just like cake batter. These two things are awesome. This part of the video are quality items that will save you a lot, especially for your upcoming road trips, vacations. These mini zip pouches are so great for travel. And one of my most used, I actually use this every single day, products are these lipstick containers. They are very quality and they even have a mirror inside. I love how they're vintage inspired. They also have all toiletries that you could possibly need, like compared to Target's prices, even Walmart's prices. They have Dove deodorant and these are name brands like Scope and Pantene too. Be on the lookout. And so many of you say that you go into Dollar Tree and can't find similar things. I just want to let you know that summer is the time to get these items. This is when they stock up because so many people are traveling. They even have little pots so you can decant your products. This push top dispenser is fantastic for lotion. I decant my lotion when I travel right into this, and all I have to do is give it 2 quick pumps. And it prevents me from wasting product and I don't have to lug around an entire container. It's funny, like all the things that we've been overpaying for over the years, like earplugs, those are like $7 or $8 at other stores. And I like to be able to decant my medicines into these Dollar Tree organizers. They have big ones and small ones. Never ever, promise me friends, spend $6 or $7 on stain remover pens. You can get those at Dollar Tree. And the hand sanitizers, they have long sticks. These remind me of pencils, so they have a really low profile when you're traveling. They are awesome too. The coconut one is my personal favorite. Every single item that you see here, including the bag, I got from Dollar Tree. So when you go to travel, you're packing up your bag, stop in there first, you can save a lot. And while you're in store, don't forget to pick up the mesh bags. They're 2 for $1.25 and they work great as packing cubes. They're also great for kids' outfits, like if you want to keep sets together. And the shower caps are great for covering up your shoes, and that way you're not going to get mud or soil or anything like that in the rest of your luggage. I am obsessed with quality things. Like if I share it with you in a video, it means it's genuinely of quality. I would love to know in the comments too where you're going on vacation this year and who you'll be spending it with. I like to keep things simple and organized. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a thumbs up. That really helps me bring this video to more viewers just like you. If nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll catch you soon.